as you would explain to another people.
Okay.
How is done, the sensory of not so many. Okay.
Okay. So this what you see here is a reconstruction of the Bik Van der Pol foundry house built in 51. And Bik Van der Pol built this house as a symbol how to live as close as possible to nature, because it's very modernistic, it's only windows. And for us it was like this was very important to use this house as a symbol, also to work with these butterflies, so to put the butterflies inside as a sort of monitor, because the whole issue of the Enel award was also about sustainability, clean energy and that sort of things, and butterflies are the first indicators. If something is wrong in nature, they disappear. So in that sense we wanted to bring it inside as a showcase. Butterflies inside this house. And then also the moment people are inside, at the moment nobody's inside, but then you can also, people are experiencing it inside, and the outside people are watching the people inside, so it's also playing with the in and the outside.
It's also being a participant and being a spectator. And
Yeah. Okay.
So, may I ask you a question?
Yeah.
But this vanishing of the butterflies is connected to something human, something symbolic related to the butterfly that is a symbol well known all over the world as a symbol of rebirth too.
Yeah, like the metamorphosis process that you
yes.
that they have sort of. It's interesting that you ask this because nobody asked. But I think what is fascinating about the butterflies is that they go through all these different stages, and so their life goes from butterfly to egg to caterpillar to cocoon and then butterfly again. It's kind of a continuous
cycle.
Dying and rebirth, in that way. Not really dying, but continuous appearing and disappearing in different forms. So we really like that aspect of the animals for this project also specifically, because it's like almost like a continuous regrouping, recuperating of how you can sort of tackle life maybe.
But is there even a meaning of playing or of games related to the things you put inside near the fake flowers? Something like pieces of oranges, little balloon, little...
No, it has nothing to do with that, because the fake flowers are really there. We don't like the fake flowers so much, but they have to be there because they are sprayed with nectar. And the butterflies are attracted, by the pollen. Because the flowers, the real flowers in the house, also because of the season, is not enough to feed them. So they need extra feeding, like the nectar, and so they come to the artificial flowers when the sweet zone. And we are experimenting with the glass balls, the
glass
game,
balls. Yes.
And there's also nectar in that little bowl to see if they are attracted by it, and then they can also eat from that, and then we can maybe get rid of the artificial flowers and use that instead. And the fruit is there because they also like that. There's also sugar and fruit sugar in it.
So they suck from the pieces of orange. Okay. And there is a chromatic joke even, chromatic, I mean, it's so colorful for the butterflies to see if they are attracted from a color or from another, or from a mixing color, something like that.
They are always attracted by colors when they are in the green. So if it's just color like in the middle of a white field, then they sort of feel threatened and they don't go to it, But if it's like sort of hidden in the forest, like a flower would be, then they would go for it, and then they can still like hide and be protected by the leaves.
My congratulations for the project, because it's very fantastic, and it puts a lot of fantasies in there, I think.
I hope a lot
So-
of imagination.
Yes, a lot of
Because that's what we
imagination,
need, no?
and imagination is man himself, as
Yeah.
William
Yeah.
Blake said.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.